Hey there, treasure hunters. Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures beneath your feet? Have you ever wondered what lies buried in your local park, beach, or even your own backyard? Whether you're a beginner looking to start an exciting new hobby or an experienced detectorist wanting to upgrade your equipment, today's video will guide you through the best metal detectors on the market right now. I've personally tested each of these machines in various conditions to bring you honest, hands-on reviews. So let's dig in and discover which metal detector deserves your hard-earned money in 2025. 7. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector. The Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 is often recommended as a beginner's metal detector, and for good reason. When I first tested it, I was immediately struck by its simplicity. With just 2 knobs controlling sensitivity and discrimination, plus a 3-position toggle switch for selecting between all metal, tone discrimination, and full discrimination modes, it's definitely designed with newcomers in mind. The automatic ground balancing feature means you don't have to fiddle with complex settings before you start hunting. During my field tests, I found the TK4 performed adequately in parks and yards with minimal trash. The 8-inch search coil provides decent coverage, and at just 2.9 pounds, it's comfortable to swing for a few hours. I was able to find coins at about 4 to 5 inches deep, which isn't spectacular, but sufficient for casual hunting. The price point of around $100 makes it accessible for those just wanting to try out the hobby without a significant investment. However, I quickly noticed some limitations during extended use. The discrimination control isn't particularly precise, which means you'll likely dig up more trash than you would with a more sophisticated detector. The depth capability is also somewhat disappointing compared to higher-end models, especially in mineralized soil where it struggles significantly. I found myself constantly adjusting the sensitivity to prevent false signals, which became frustrating after a while. 6. Garrett ACE 250 Metal Detector. Moving up a notch, we have the Garrett ACE 250, a detector that's been on the market for quite some time, but still maintains popularity among beginners and intermediate users. When I took it out for testing, I appreciated its ergonomic S-handle design with an elbow rest that made extended hunting sessions more comfortable. At only 2.7 pounds, it's slightly lighter than the Bounty Hunter TK4, which your arm will thank you for after several hours of swinging. The ACE 250 offers more features than the TK4, including 12-segment adjustable notch discrimination, 8 sensitivity levels, and 5 preset search modes: all metal, jewelry, custom, relics, and coins. The 6. 5x9-inch elliptical coil provided good coverage, and I found the 3-tone audio target ID helpful in identifying targets before digging. The coin depth readout to 8-inch is a nice addition that gives you an idea of how deep you'll need to dig. During my tests in parks with moderate trash, the ACE 250 performed reasonably well. I was able to consistently find coins at 6 to 7 inches deep with the sensitivity set at only half to 3/4 of its maximum capability. The visual target ID on the LCD screen was generally accurate for single targets, though it became less reliable when multiple objects were under the coil, a common issue with detectors in this price range. However, I did encounter some frustrations with the ACE 250. The discrimination settings, while more advanced than the TK4, still lack the precision found in higher-end models. 5. MINELAB Vanquish 540. The MINELAB Vanquish 540 marks a significant step up in technology with its multi-IQ simultaneous multi-frequency operation. When I took this detector out to the field, I immediately noticed the difference in performance compared to the single-frequency detectors we've discussed so far. The ability to operate multiple frequencies simultaneously means better target identification across a range of metals and mineralization conditions. The Vanquish 540 comes standard with a waterproof 12-inch coil, which provided excellent coverage and depth during my testing. I was particularly impressed with how it handled mineralized soil that had given the previous detectors trouble. The red LED backlight on the display made it easy to see readings even in bright sunlight or during early morning and evening hunts when lighting conditions weren't ideal. One feature I really appreciated was the iron bias control, which allowed me to fine-tune how the detector responded to iron targets. This proved invaluable in areas with a lot of iron trash, helping me to avoid digging unwanted targets while still finding good signals. The rechargeable battery system is also a significant upgrade from the disposable batteries required by the previous models, providing consistent performance throughout long detecting sessions. During beach tests, the Vanquish 540 performed admirably in both dry and wet sand. The multi-IQ technology really shines in these challenging conditions, maintaining stability while still providing good depth. I was able to recover several coins and a silver ring at impressive depths that would have been missed by the Bounty Hunter or Garrett models. 4. Nokta Simplex Ultra WHB. The Nokta Simplex Ultra WHB has quickly gained a reputation as one of the best value-for-money detectors on the market, and my testing confirmed this assessment. This detector offers features typically found in much more expensive models, including full waterproof construction to 10 feet, making it suitable for shallow water hunting. The wireless headphones included in the WHB package are a nice touch that adds to the overall value. During my field testing, I was impressed with the Simplex's depth capabilities and recovery speed. In park mode, the detector quickly identified targets with minimal sweep overlap, allowing me to cover ground efficiently. Switching to field mode provided additional depth at the cost of slightly slower recovery, which was perfect for less trashy areas where I wanted maximum depth. The 12 kHz operating frequency proved to be a good all-around choice for both coin and relic hunting. The Simplex offers 4 search modes: all metal, park, field, and beach, with the recent software update adding an additional Park 1 mode that provides deeper detection with slightly slower recovery speed. I found the tone break adjustments particularly useful, allowing me to set different audio tones for various target ID ranges. The adjustable iron volume feature let me reduce the volume of iron signals without eliminating them entirely, which helped maintain awareness of site conditions without the constant loud signals from iron trash. The build quality of the Simplex impressed me during extended use. The materials feel substantial without adding unnecessary weight, and the controls remained responsive even after exposure to dust and light rain. 3. Nokta the Legend Metal Detector. The Nokta Legend represents a significant advancement in metal detecting technology, positioning itself as a serious competitor to much more expensive detectors. During my extensive testing over 2 detecting seasons, I've been consistently impressed with its capabilities, particularly its advanced tonal discrimination system, which allows for incredible target separation in trashy areas. What sets the Legend apart is its remarkable customization options. With 5 available search coils ranging from a 6-inch sniper coil for extremely trashy areas to a large 13.5 x 12.5 inch coil for maximum coverage and depth, this detector can be configured for virtually any hunting scenario. I found the 6x9-inch elliptical coil particularly effective in parks that had been heavily detected by others, allowing me to maneuver between trash and still find good targets that others had missed. The Legend's multi-frequency technology performed admirably across various hunting conditions. In my comparative tests, it outperformed the MINELAB Equinox in areas with low to moderate iron trash and matched the performance of the XP Deus 2 in most conditions. The deep target identification and beast mode features are innovations I haven't seen on other detectors, allowing me to identify targets that would typically be beyond the identification depth of competing machines. The carbon fiber telescopic stem proved extremely durable during my testing, with no wobble or alignment issues that often plague other detectors. The fully waterproof construction allowed me to hunt in the rain, and even submerge the detector when searching in streams without any concerns. 2. MINELAB Equinox 800. The MINELAB Equinox 800 has established itself as one of the premier metal detectors on the market, and my extensive field testing confirms its stellar reputation. Building on the success of the Equinox 600, the 800 model adds crucial features for serious detectorists, particularly those interested in gold prospecting. The ability to target higher frequencies in the 20 kHz and 40 kHz range makes this detector exceptionally versatile across all types of hunting. What impressed me most during testing was the Equinox 800's comprehensive search mode system. With 4 main modes, park, field, beach, and gold, each containing 2 customizable settings, you essentially have 8 different detectors in one package. I found park mode exceptionally effective in trashy urban areas, with excellent discrimination between aluminum trash and valuable targets. Field mode excelled in historical sites, allowing me to find smaller relics that other detectors missed entirely. The beach mode truly shines in salty conditions, maintaining stability and depth whether hunting on dry sand or in the surf. During my beach tests, the Equinox 800 consistently found targets that other detectors struggled to identify due to the challenging salt mineralization. The gold mode, exclusive to the 800 model, proved highly effective during my prospecting trips, identifying small gold nuggets that would have been missed by less capable detectors. MINELAB's multi-IQ technology is the heart of the Equinox's performance, allowing it to operate across multiple frequencies simultaneously. This provides the depth advantages of low frequencies for larger targets while maintaining the sensitivity of high frequencies for smaller targets. 1. MINELAB MANTICORE. At the pinnacle of metal detecting technology stands the MINELAB MANTICORE, the latest and most advanced detector in MINELAB's impressive lineup. After extensive testing across various terrains and conditions, I can confidently say this detector represents the current state-of-the-art in the industry. The MANTICORE builds on MINELAB's proven multi-IQ technology with the enhanced multi-IQ Plus system, delivering 50% more power than the already impressive Equinox series. The revolutionary 2D identification map system is a game-changer in the field. Unlike traditional single-dimensional target ID systems, the MANTICORE provides information on both the target's conductivity and its ferrous properties, displayed on a graphical interface that makes target identification more accurate than ever before. During my testing, this system allowed me to make much more informed decisions about whether to dig, significantly reducing wasted effort on trash targets while ensuring valuable finds weren't overlooked. The audio customization options on the MANTICORE are truly impressive. Whether you prefer traditional tones similar to the Equinox series, continuous pitch variations, or VCO, voltage-controlled oscillator, audio, the MANTICORE can be configured to match your preferred hunting style. I particularly appreciated the vibration feature built into the handle, which proved invaluable when hunting in areas where removing headphones was necessary for safety or when detecting in noisy environments. Waterproof to an impressive 16 feet, the MANTICORE handled everything from heavy rain to complete submersion during my testing. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive review of the best metal detectors of 2025. Whether you're just starting out with the Bounty Hunter TK4 or ready to invest in the premium performance of the MINELAB MANTICORE, there's a perfect detector for your needs and budget. Remember, the best metal detector is ultimately the one that gets you out in the field most often. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.